Alright, this is Ian from Drifter. Anyway, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video. And I'm out on Jerry's boat, piloting the boat. It's not the 340 Sundancer that I normally put on the videos. That's in storage. It's the end of March here. I'll be heading back home to Michigan in just a few more weeks. And then I'll be starting to get some more videos out. So you stay tuned. But right now we're over at Lake Placid on Lake June in Florida, sunny Florida. So we're cheating the weather by being down here in Florida in June, or March, in Lake June. And been here for the winter, and I'm getting close to heading back to Michigan and get the big boat ready. But I'll let you give you a little teaser, take a little boat ride on Jerry's boat, and we're going to do a little exploring on Lake June today. Lake June is just west of Lake Placid. It's a kidney-shaped lake, and anyway, I'll show you a little map of that. And spent a few hours out there cruising around. Went to a couple of sandbars. I'll watch the video and check it out. Which is all right.
Got nothing to lose. Oh my, gonna shake it off. It ain't no thing, it ain't no thing. Oh my, doing what I want. Gonna do my thing, do my thing. Way up high and take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me?
Okay, we're going into some shallow waters, still on Lake June. A little roughage right there in the water, so we're going to make a wide turn. We see 3 other boats here, and seem to be anchoring off. We think this is a sandbar up here. There's a little bit of a beach area. I see a picnic table on shore. There might be a little park in the background. We'll find out in a couple minutes. We're getting ready to pull up. Get the anchor ready.
Good luck on the anchor. It's in the bows compartment.
Here, right?
Yeah. Good luck on the line.
Why? It's tangled?
I just don't remember using it.
Oh.
I don't believe I ever used it.
You got a little mushroom anchor in here.
Yeah, yeah. That's why this is popular. It's a park.
They don't have chairs. See that shallow area there?
Oh yeah.
You only got one anchor, right?
I would think so.
You don't know? You got another anchor?
It's never been anchored.
Watch yourself straight ahead.
Yeah, the way the wind's blowing us, we're really gonna, that mushroom's gonna drag. I don't think that mushroom's gonna hook in this wind. It's not the right anchor for the wind.
Probably not.
windier than I like.
Which way does it want to blow us?
Towards them, so that's why I'm trying to be further away. Okay.
Drop it?
Yeah.
Which way you want it off? Probably this way, that's what we do.
One time. Typically I was beaching, and you could beach here.
I don't know, it's got pretty good tight. Look at it.
Yeah, it has good scope, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. My wallet and stuff, typically I've been throwing it in this. Well, you have multiple compartments you can throw stuff in.
I got a dry bag back there. Alright, I'm gonna try getting in. Alright, it'll be a little cooler than the pool. Not bad. On the ground.
All I do is win, all I do is win. Oh my mind, no, I'll never fold. Start it up, let the game begin. Way up high and take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my mind, are you ready? Ready or not, we going, and I can't stop. Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my mind, oh my mind. Are you ready?
The wind's gonna push me right into it, and that I wasn't sure about what I was gonna hit there. I mean, I guess it's boards, but
Yeah, if you just put the tip on there, I'll leap off the front of the boat and hop on it. Alright, hold on.
I don't think it'll work because it's at an angle. The boat's gonna be sideways. Yeah. Well, see how the left fender's deeper? Because of the angle, you know what I mean?
Getting ready to load the boat up onto the trailer. I was driving the truck. We had a little bit of trouble because the dock was quite uneven. I really had to move the truck, so we had to hug the trailer up against the dock to get it even, so we can load it and the boat would sit evenly on the trailer.
Yeah, it's too deep. More. Up some more. Up about 3 feet forward. More. See, it's still got to be more straight. That one fender's down like 4 inches or 5 inches. The boat would be crooked. Like, well, see how that fender's down? The boat would be a problem. It won't be straight. Oh, I'm positive. That's why it won't work. I think it's because of the angle. Okay, yeah, we try over there.
Yeah, it's just deeper in that spot.
Yeah, like it drops on one side. That's good. We'll try it. It is angled though. Maybe forward 3 inches or 4 inch, you know, forward a half foot. No. Just wait.